When you create a pivot table in Excel and then select a cell in that pivot table, you should see a field list that shows all the fields from the source data and then has 4 areas where you can drop those fields. But you can change that layout. I'm going to click this Tools drop-down and you'll see different layouts. First 2 options let you see the fields and areas together. This is the default one, and this one makes a narrow field list and then the 4 areas beside it. So this layout is good if you've got shorter field names and perhaps a long list of them. You're able to see more, plus you can see all the areas. You can also adjust the width by pointing to its border and dragging it. And another thing you can do is point to the title area. You'll see a 4-headed arrow. Then you can drag it onto the worksheet where it becomes a floating field list. If you want to put it back, point to this title area again, double click, and it's then locked at the side.